Hey guys, welcome to Quiz Butterfly. Today you're going to create the coolest school look ever. You'll also pick your dream school supplies. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Let's go. Are you ready to choose your school? Time for bus. You're getting late. Ready to study? Look at these books. Do you like any? Choose one. These are so cool. Which uniform matches you? Pick your pencil case. Do you like it? How about some pens? Choose your rubber. Which ones match your style? Which ones make your eyes shine? Which one would you take to school? Choose your handbag. Which one makes you look even better? Choose a mobile. Which one would you keep in your bag? Which car will make you rock? Can you take just one? Which one will make you smell better? Which set are you taking? Which ones are elegant? Time for your ring. Which one do you pick? Bonus round. Attention to your pet. Where has your pet gone? You found it. Which bracelet is the most beautiful? Time for necklace. Which one would you study every day? Choose your lunch. Now choose your lunch table. Which laptop looks the coolest? Look at these. Which one would you use every day? Choose your toy. Which one would you take to school? Which keychain matches your style? Which one will you use to drink? In which of these majestic cities would you live in? In which of these will you save your makeup? Choose your ponytail. Which one matches you? Look at these creams. Which one would you use every day? Choose a snack combo at night class. Which one looks fine for your notes? Choose the perfect companion. Which ones will complete your look? What's the perfect bookshelf? Which ones make your nails glow? Which makeup style is yours? Choose your study room. Which one highlight the best? Choose some. They will make you the best. Which place will you go to trip on? Can you take just one? Which set are you taking? Which drink will make your day better? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Quiz Butterfly. See you next time.